Welcome back everybody to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing a smoked pork loin on the Traeger grill. Let's fire up that Traeger. Alright, so as you guys may see it, this is a pork loin that I got at Walmart. It's already seasoned with roasted garlic and herb, so everything's ready to roll. I've seen some of these. I know they have these at Fred Meyer's, you name it. They have stuff like this that's already marinated. I've had a lot of questions that people buy them marinated, so I figured I'd show them one that's marinated. So let's get this bad boy opened up. So here we have it. It smells great. You know, the herbs and all that they add to this. It actually smells good. It smells really good. So what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put it on the Traeger for $2.75. The style of cooking this, I got it from Malcolm Reed's How to Barbecue Right. Everybody know who he is. We all seen his videos. Great smoker. So I figured I'd try how he cooked his on this bad boy. So without further ado, let's fire up that Traeger. All right, now the Traeger is up to temp, 275. We're gonna put this bad boy in there. Right in the middle. And we're gonna be back in 1 hour and see how it goes. So it's been there for 1 hour. 1 hour at 275. So we're looking at an internal temp of 140. $129. 135. So we're almost there. About another 15 minutes and we'll be back. All right, it's been 15 minutes. The pork loin is officially done. And we're gonna take it out and we'll see you guys inside. All right, we are back. And before we get to cutting this, let's have a quick recap of what we did. All right, so we are officially done. We let it rest for at least 5 minutes. And so the way I went at this, the way I tackled this, is I was looking at How to Barbecue Right's video. Now, his video, it was 275 for 2 hours, but he did have a big piece. This is a little bit smaller, so it took a little bit quicker. But I took it out of the internal temp 150. That's when I took it out. Because I've done pork loin before, and when I did one at 140 and then I did another one at 150, the 150 was what I like. So this is what I like. If you guys want to take it off at 140, all power to you. So let's have a cut. And I get asked a lot about these kind of knives. You know, people always asking, what kind of knife is this? How do you call it? Where do you buy it? So everything that you guys see on my videos, I would always have a link on them. For you, if you guys like anything you see, there will be a link on the description where you guys can get one of these. And I love one of these. Love it. So let's give it a try. Look at that. That color. Smells good and it's juicy. You can see the juices coming out. Juices are coming out. So this is the garlic and herbs, I think it's called. And oh man, it smells great. I'm just getting water too. Now, you guys can add barbecue sauce if you guys want to. So I actually have a little bit of barbecue. I always have barbecue in my fridge. So what you can do, which that's what I'm gonna do, cause and I have a small fork. Um, Try this out, cause I do like barbecue sauce. But I'm gonna try one without barbecue sauce, one with barbecue sauce. Mm, man, right off the bat, you get a punch of that garlic, and whatever other seasoning they add on it, it's like they got some pepper. But the flavor, mm, the flavor is really good. Now, do I dare dump this in barbecue sauce? Yes, I do. Ooh, look at that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Man, now this is good. I got this at Walmart. It wasn't bad price too. I got it. I think it was for $6, 6 something. It was at Walmart. It probably feeds four, 5. Unless you're really hungry, two, two. But yeah, like I said, it's really good. It's really juicy. I like all the stuff they used in it. I would get it again because it's ready, and it's probably marinated in that, and its juices and all this uh, herbs and garlic for days. Uh, but like I said, you guys can do it any way you guys want. You guys can take it out at internal temp 140 or 150. I did 150 because that's where my sweet spot was, pork loin. Barbecue sauce, if you guys want to, go ahead and do it. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a like and hit that little bell notification on the side. That way it notifies you when I put a new video. And make sure you guys, boom, hit that subscribe button. So there's more great content coming. You guys not want to miss none of this. And if you guys want to be a pal, check out these videos right here. Yeah. Or this little guy right here. You click on it, it subscribes. It just does it automatically. We'll see you guys next time.